Okay, so this is my forecast for next week on GJ for the 9th of August to the 13th of August. Okay, let's just get rid of everything on the chart over here and make our way up to the monthly. So on a monthly, what we can see quickly is we did reject 156 area here on the monthly, and we also did last month's candle, did close, we had resistance here, small resistance, and we did close above it. Okay, so that's all we got going on a monthly. Bias on a monthly is bullish. Okay, going down to the weekly, we can see structure-wise that we are still in an uptrend, as you can see over here. We did not break the key level of support down here, so until we break down here and close below, then only I'll be looking for a drive down. Other than that, my bias for the weekly is still going to be bullish. If we also look a little bit closer here, let me just plot in our ranges over here. We can see we have a 4-hour range, or sorry, a weekly range going on over here. Okay, and in here we see this weekly candle did try and break below, okay, but it was unable to do so. Buyer stepped back in, pushed price up, and the candle closed above the support. Okay, the next weekly candle did create a higher low and a higher high, but then last week's candle created a lower high and a lower low. But I'm not too much concerned about it, as I'm expecting that this might just be the down wick for the monthly candle to continue going up. Okay, so I'm still expecting that we could have just a candle opening up like this and closing above here, hopefully. Okay, we can make our way down to the daily time frame from here. Okay, so on the daily, we can see we have a bit of a range right here. Okay. We can also see that on the daily we have rejected this level as resistance once over here, and then last week Friday, NFP week, or NFP day, Friday, we also rejected it again. But if we look at the structure going on over here, structure-wise, we are still bullish on the daily, so I'm still expecting bullish moves to continue going up. So what I'm hoping for is a move to go and to close here. That's what I'm expecting to happen on tomorrow's candle. But also something to take note of is the weekly low over here. Because if you take a closer look at what's going on in the structure of the daily over here, we have, just get this, we have this level as well over here. Okay, let's take it down here. We closed above it. Okay, we went up, we retested this level. So what could happen now is, what I'm going to be looking for as well is if price creates a top wick, maybe, and then drives down and breaks daily low, and breaks this daily low over here. This is the only point in time that I'm going to be looking for sells on GJ. It won't be any long-term sells, it will be only short-term counter-trend sells, but I'll only be looking for sells if we break and close below this level. Okay. Okay, making our way down to the 4-hour. What we can see is we've got a bit of a range going here on 4-hour as well, right here. Okay, got a small range here. We can adjust our levels, adjust these quickly. I'm actually going to remove this one completely and just use this and set this to my daily level. Okay, so what we can see is we've got a bit of a range going on a 4-hour time frame over here. So what we can expect is for price to come up, close above, have a pullback, and continue up, breaking through this level, going up. Okay, another possibility that could happen that I spoke about is coming down here, closing below this daily level, having a pullback, and having a small counter trend continuation on which we could maybe enter and get a small piece of it. But what I'm mostly going to be looking for next week on the 4-hour time frame is to see a close above the range over here to get in on a move to fill this entire zone, or just retest this highs over up here, or retest the highs all the way up here at 153,800. Yeah, that's basically all I've got for GJ at the moment. Just a quick little forecast. Other than this, I'll be doing more in-depth analysis after the market has opened tonight. And if I don't do it tonight, I will have it up by tomorrow morning after the market has been open for a while. Pre-London, I'll do my daily analysis just to get a more clear idea of which direction I want to take the market in. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.